I've been taking Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides for 6 months. Today, I want to share with you my results. Hi, welcome to Keto with JT. I'm JT, Jared Taylor. I'm a certified keto and intermittent fasting coach, and this channel is all about a practical approach to living a ketogenic lifestyle. I've been taking Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides for about 6 months now, and I wanted to share with you my results. I'm also going to share with you some results that other people have told me about because I thought that might be interesting as well. So about 6 months ago, I was thinking about collagen. It had been on my mind. I am an ultramarathon runner, and I thought that maybe taking some collagen would help with my joints and the training that I've been doing. Also, I'm getting older and noticing the effects of age, so my mind has been on collagen. I've made a few review videos for various collagen products that are out there, but I've been taking mainly Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides, this particular version, the natural flavored or unflavored version, and also its chocolate flavored cousin. And so I wanted to share with you what I found. First, I have to tell you that I have taken supplements quite a bit over my lifetime. I used to be very much into bodybuilding, and I would spend quite a bit of money every month on supplements. And a lot of times you kind of, you're not sure if they're doing anything, if it really works, if you're wasting your money. And so I went into this idea, or went in with this idea, sort of skeptical, like, is this really going to help? Is it going to be good? Is it really going to be something that would be valuable? And after taking it for 6 months now, I think I can comment on that from my own experience. And so let's get into that. First of all, I can tell you, I'm getting older. I had my 50th birthday recently, and I noticed that it is on my mind, and I look in the mirror and I think, man, I'm looking kind of old. And I have to say, I am not the poster child for awesome skin, right? When someone is advertising some sort of beauty product and they need a model that has awesome skin, they're not going to call me. I spend a lot of time in the sun. I tend to look like, I spend a lot of time in the sun. My skin gets dried out and kind of leathery, and I got a whole bunch of wrinkles. What I can tell you is that after taking collagen peptides, specifically from Vital Proteins, over the last 6 months, I have noticed a difference. Now, I didn't know when I first made the review video, and I'll link that in the description or at the end of this video if you want to check that out. When I first made the review video, I wasn't thinking about doing a results video necessarily. I know I mentioned it in that video. When I started taking this, I didn't think I should take some before and after pictures. So I don't have that. All I can do is tell you that as I'm looking in the mirror, as I am seeing myself every day, I noticed that I'm looking better, my skin is looking better, I feel like I'm looking a little bit younger. Now, that is sort of subjective, but some results that have been a little more specific and a little bit more concrete and less subjective has been my fingernails. My fingernails are growing like crazy. I have to cut my fingernails like at least once a week, very reliably once a week. Now, that might be normal for some people, but for me, that is not normal at all. That is something very new to me. I used to probably I can't even tell you how often I would cut my fingernails. It's probably once every other month in the past. My fingernails never break, they never tear, they are very, very strong, and they grow like crazy. That tells me very tangibly that this is making a difference. This works. Right? The other thing that I can tell you is that the person that cuts my hair, the last 2 times that I've been there, he has said, so I've been going to this guy probably a couple of years now. The first time he's ever said that, he said it twice, the last 2 times. So the last 2 times I've gone to get my hair cut, he said, wow, your hair is growing fast. And I told him, I said, well, yeah, I've been taking collagen. He's like, you have? I've been thinking about that too. We talked a little bit about it, and he's thinking about recommending it to his clients because he is seeing the very tangible results that I'm getting. And he's, like, he's just an casual, as an outside observer, probably has, an expert eye, and he's got a lot to compare it to. And he's telling me that my hair is growing really fast. And I know this too because I have to go get a haircut more often. The fingernail thing is sort of annoying to me because, but it is tangible results. If fingernails are important to you, if you want strong, thick, strong, beautiful fingernails, this absolutely works. This absolutely helps. If you want your hair to be fuller and grow, faster, this absolutely helps. I am losing my hair. It's slowly going over time. And so I don't know if this product or if collagen in general is going to slow down the hair loss process. I might do some research on that, try to figure that out. But the fact that it's making my hair grow faster and it's coming in a little fuller gives me hope. And it's also a very tangible result. Okay? Another thing I've noticed also is that reduction in joint pain. Now that one's a little bit harder to quantify because as I have been doing keto for the last 3 years, probably about 90% of the time I've been keto. And I have noticed a significant reduction in joint pain, which is awesome. That has gone even further as I have taken collagen on a regular basis. Okay, so there are some things that I have noticed. From my perspective, I am not going to stop taking this product. I'm not going to stop taking this supplement anytime soon. Maybe I'll change in the future. Maybe I'll find a way to get more bone broth in my diet on a regular basis and I won't need this. I don't know. Or maybe there'll be some other sort of collagen supplement that I think is better that I'll try then. But for now, I'm going to stick with this every single day because I am noticing some significant results and I think that's awesome. Okay, so those are my results, but I also want to share with you some results that other people have shared with me to kind of go along with the theme of this video. Okay, so here are some comments from some of my viewers. Jim Yost says, I'm 74 years old. Now I've had a cyst on my forehead, close to the size of a BB, just under the skin that has been there for probably 30 years. And about 5 months ago, I started taking 2 tablespoons of collagen powder in my first cup of coffee every morning, and now that cyst is almost gone. That's pretty tangible to me. Cassandra Black says, I'm 41, have been consuming Vital Proteins for 6 months, and my skin looks more moisturized. We'll keep taking this for beauty and health reasons. Pretty cool. Christina Creates says, I've noticed a difference in the next day. My skin is back to being soft and is like it was, or as it was in my 20s. That's awesome, Christina. Peace Fan 1. I've been using collagen for a while now, and my hair is fuller, thicker, my nails are strong, my skin looks great. It has worked for me. Okay, so her results are kind of lining up with what I've noticed as well. All right, Jayla Eves says, this product works for me. I'm 44 years old. I started having pain in most of my joints at age 39, especially where I've had past injuries. It took 2 weeks to feel a difference once I started taking it after half a year of consistent use. So she's been doing this about 6 months as well. I have no joint pain. I am still stiff in some, but I've been able to walk and exercise like I used to before the pain began. I'm sure that a lot of benefits I've been seeing are due to being able to move again, but I wouldn't have gotten to that point without this one change. I stopped taking it a couple of times when I first started using it, and it took a couple of weeks for pain to come back. I didn't stop taking it because of any side effects. I was just thinking that it might have been a placebo effect, or maybe something else causing the good results. Either way, I won't stop again. So Jayla is seeing some pretty awesome results too. And this brings me to living with purpose. I've been taking this Vital brand of collagen for the last 2 years. I highly recommend it. I believe this is one of the best, most effective collagens available. My skin is looking much younger. Wrinkles, fine lines are gone, and I've smoothed out. My face is more plump again like it was when I was younger. I am 46. I also feel better in my joints and muscles. Even the skin of my arms is more elastic now. from taking Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides daily. I will say I don't think I could have achieved these results if I had only taken it for a few times per week. I believe it needs to be every day. Now she goes on to share that she's also been doing intermittent fasting on a regular basis, and that, I will tell you, intermittent fasting is also contributing to those amazing results. I hope that this results video helps. If you've been wondering, if you've been thinking, well, maybe I should start taking some collagen, should I do it, does it work? I personally believe that it absolutely does. A lot of these people that have commented, they've shared their results, they feel the same way. So I hope that's helpful. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.